You did good work.
Don't worry, my friend, come to my home.
Take drinks, my lord.
Drink and relax.
I swear I am innocent. Just let me go.
I will miss you.